this is Yadira. I'm going to take a video about Play-doh. I am with my cousin right now.
Hey guys, it's me, and I got a lot of letters and a white Play-doh and a purple Play-doh and a pink Play-doh and a red Play-doh. You see that the red Play-doh is out, and so yeah, we're gonna do like this, and then we're gonna put it over there, and then after that we're gonna take it out.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have a glue stick and a bobby pin right over there.
So yeah, let's start. So now we're gonna okay, now we're gonna use a V. It's like violin. So now after that, we're gonna take that out.
With the bobby pin.
With the bobby pin, you're right. This is so much fun, guys, right?
Yeah, you guys should, if you have like all of this stuff, you should go try it out because it is really fun. You can do it with anyone you want, or you can do it alone.
You can do it with your dad or mom. Oh no, I'm looking messed up.
Oh, we can always like try again.
Try again. We're gonna try another color because this is so hard. We cannot even,
Yeah, let's just try another one.
So we're gonna try the purple, and let's take out the thing so it can be nice.
The Play-doh.
So, bubble pen.
Bobby pin, yeah.
Ooh, that's clean here. It looks like poop, right, guys?
Yeah. That doesn't all of this stuff look like poop?
But it's not.
Comment down below if you think it looks like poop.
So this is hard too. Yeah, it's so hard.
You can still do it. Roll it out, roll it out. Maybe you can just like push it on it with your hands. Push on with your hands first. Vanessa. Okay, now roll.
Now we did it. Now we're gonna start with the V, because the other of the red one we messed it up.
Okay, now where's the bobby pin?
Now we're gonna take the bobby pin. I like how you call the bobby pin.
Yeah, that is kind of weird.
Yeah. Oh, look, it opened. Okay, now I'm gonna take this out, and the other one out, and the other one out. Oh, look, it's gonna be perfect. And this out. Oh, because of this. That's why. Oh, look how it's perfect now. So now we're gonna take it out.
Yeah. She's gonna take it out.
Oh, it broke.
Just take it out with the bobby pin. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna look.
Bad.
She's so funny.
I know, guys. It looks bad, right? I don't know how it looks.
Let me see. Let me get a good look.
I don't know how it looks.
It looks okay. Okay, so what are we gonna try next? Let's see. Let's try the white.
Let's try the white.
Sorry guys, it's outside.
And it's my dog.
Yeah.
It's my dog. I'm sorry that she said outside, but yeah, it's my dog. Oh no. Yeah, let's try another color. So let's blow this out. There. So let's try the white one. Ooh, this is soft. This is more better, guys.
Yeah, this is more better because we tried this before. And
Look how is this? Look.
yeah.
So yeah, let's roll it.
Okay.
Oh, look, guys.
Let's
So we're gonna get an AM. Oh, let's get a Q. Let's get a
It's right there.
Where's Bobby?
I am just covering this video with my finger. Whatever.
Where's the bobby pin? Where's the bobby pin?
We're just looking for the bobby pin right now.
Because we don't know where to put it. Let's see. Bobby pin, where? Oh, I found it.
Okay.
The bobby pin is right here.
Good thing we found it.
Yeah, because if we did, we had to start over again. Let's put the bobby like. Oh, I got it perfect. Perfect. Let's take this out. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Look at the thing. Oh, it broke. Oh, we have to still fix it.
Right there, guys. Right there.
So let's leave it like that.
Yeah.
Now let's download it. That's it.
Yeah, we're just gonna download the video.
So thanks for watching the show. Please subscribe if you like it or not.
Oh no. Okay. Bye guys.